Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video is just a discussion video. I wanted to discuss why I was so wrong with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video is just a discussion video on why I was so wrong about the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And I just want to have a discussion. If you follow my channel or even watch our live streams with Team 100, shout out Team 100 by the way, the tech gentleman, Alan Anthony, Phone Tech at Work, RP3 Tech Reviews, BG Tech Life, and How Can You Put Android Stud Last. But, you know, we've been streaming for a while now. We always talking, and anytime we stream, I thought everybody was overhyping the Galaxy Z Fold devices, and the Fold is the best, the Fold is this, and I used to be like, no, there's no way the Fold is that great. I had the V60, which I thought was awesome. I had a couple Velvets, which I also thought was pretty awesome. And then came out the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And I will admit it right now in this video, how I was wrong about folding devices. I mean, just look. I mean, just, you have a regular phone that opens to a tablet. It's a tablet. It's a beautiful tablet, and it gets so bright. The screen gets really bright, by the way, and it's just a beautiful looking device. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is very productive. You can use this phone to get stuff done. It's not like a regular candy bar type of phone. I mean, look. Multitasking on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, you can't do it with any of these other phones. You just don't have the real estate. You just don't do it. And for this phone and the price of this phone and how you can get trade-ins, I was totally wrong. Totally wrong. I will eat my words right now and say that the Galaxy Z Fold and foldables are probably the future. And I just don't know, again, I said this before, how I'm gonna go back to something like this. Now, don't get me wrong. Like a device like this, or even my Pixel 5a, they are great devices. But what you can get done with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is just amazing. The multitasking on here, I can do 3 different things at one time and still have enough room to actually do it. Like, you can multitask with these phones too, don't get me wrong. You can do multitasking, but the screen real estate is just so small compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And like the tech gentleman Eric said earlier, I think in our chat, was that you never had an instance where you said, oh, I wish my Galaxy Z Fold 3 didn't open into a bigger tablet. You know, but you can always have this phone here and say, man, I wish this was just a little bit bigger. I wish I could open it up into something bigger and use it a little bit more. You never say that with this phone. You never say, oh man, I hope this phone would not open up. You never say that. Yes, it's a big phone, but when it opens up, look at it. You have a tablet in your pocket. If someone says that this phone, you can't use it to get stuff done on it and it's not worth it, come on now. Come on now. And yes, I know the phone is $18.99, but how many of y'all are actually paying $1,899 for the phone? You're trading in something like this. You're trading something in like this. You're trading in the Fold 2 or the Fold 1 that you had and getting $1,000 off or $750 off of it. If you're getting $750 off of it, it's almost the same price as one of these phones. So it's not $1,899, but this phone will definitely change your life. So I was totally wrong, and I will admit it again in this video about foldable phones. Now I know Samsung's not the only one that have it. I mean, Huawei has one. TCL just canceled one. Pixel's thinking about it, which it will be exciting. Apple will have to jump on the foldable phones too, because that's where it's at. Again, you go from a regular phone to a tablet in your pocket, and everything's becoming cheaper too. I mean, the first Fold was like almost $2,100. The second one was like $19. This was $17.99. Getting cheaper cheaper and cheaper too. The technology is getting better. So stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, this is just a discussion video. I'm admitting that I was totally wrong with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, maybe even the S21 Ultra, definitely the Pixel 5a. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day. Oh yeah, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Now I'm really out. Peace, y'all.